Home Remedies presents
Incredible way to use Coke to get rid of cracked heels from first use. In summer, wearing open, unsupportive shoes can do a number on your feet. Having dry skin is bad enough, but when cracked heels come into the picture, let's just say walking around all day with painful fissures isn't fun. The good news is treating your cracked heels doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple remedy you can try at home. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: Coca-Cola 2 tablespoons, toothpaste 1 tablespoon, any white toothpaste you can use, corn flour 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Procedure: put Coke and toothpaste in a bowl and mix thoroughly until smooth. Then put all other ingredients and mix well till you get a creamy mix. Your remedy is ready to apply. Now apply this mixture to your cracked heels at night and wear socks on. Wash off in the morning and your feet will be soft as baby feet without cracks and pigmentation.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.